What is it? The menstrual cycle is a cycle which begins at the puberty to prepare the body for pregnancy. It lasts around 28 days but can be shorter or longer, especially if a young person is just starting having period. Day 1. Bleeding from the vagina begins. This is known as having a period or menstruation. It caused by the loss of the lining of the uterus. A period usually lasts on average about 4 days. However, can be longer or shorter depending on the person. Day 5. The bleeding stops and ovum and egg start to mature in one of the ovaries. The lining of the uterus start to Day 14. The mature ovum travels through the oviduct toward the uterus. This process is called ovulation. Day 28. If the ovum is not joined with a sperm cell in the oviduct, the lining of the uterus begins to break down again and the cycle starts again. Pregnancy. Fertilization occurs when the sperm and egg join during the sex. The fertilized egg implant in the lining of the uterus. This is the start of the pregnancy. During the pregnancy, menstruation does not happen, so period do not occur. Menopause. When women reach a certain age, they stop having period. They stop menstruating and no longer have a regular cycle. This is called the menopause. It's usually occur around the age of 50 but can happen earlier or later depending on the person. Periods. There's a lot of different ways to help you feel comfortable on your period and make the blood loss more manageable. These include pad, tampons, menstrual cup and more. You may want to try a few ways before you find your preference. Hormones. The menstrual cycle is controlled by the hormones such as the estrogen and progesterone. These are the chemical messengers which are produced in the glands and control the cycle. Changes in hormones level can also contribute to some menstrual symptoms such as the mood changes and spots. Remember that all persons are different, so periods and menstrual cycle can really vary. If you are struggling with your periods or feel something is wrong, there is always help and you can ask for some medical advice.